Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're showcasing the best Supersaw mini chainsaw made in the USA. If you're in the market for a portable, efficient, and lightweight chainsaw, this 6-inch Zeeksaw mini chainsaw could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's dive into what makes this tool a standout for both garden and home use. This mini chainsaw packs a punch despite its small size. Weighing just 1.92 pounds, it's light enough to be operated with one hand, making it perfect for anyone, regardless of strength or experience. You can easily take down branches up to 5 inches thick in just seconds thanks to its 22 feet per second chain speed. Whether you're trimming tree limbs or tackling thick bushes, this tool will get the job done fast and efficiently. Powered by two large 2000 mAh batteries, the Zeeksaw mini chainsaw offers up to 75 minutes of use on a single charge. That's impressive compared to other mini chainsaws, and with the convenience of two batteries, you'll always have a backup ready to go. The batteries are also compatible with Makita tools, so if you're already using their system, you won't need to worry about extra purchases. Safety is a top priority with this chainsaw. It features a safety switch and a 90-degree splash guard baffle, ensuring a safe experience even in tricky cutting situations. The chainsaw is built to last and undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring you get a reliable tool that can withstand your toughest tasks. This tool isn't just for tree cutting, it's perfect for a wide range of activities including gardening, DIY carpentry, and small-scale woodwork. Its versatility makes it a must-have in every toolkit. The all-inclusive kit includes the chainsaw, two batteries, a charger, a replacement chain, gloves, protective glasses, and a carrying case, ensuring you have everything needed to get started. Not only is this mini chainsaw practical and powerful, but it's also an excellent gift for anyone who loves outdoor work, DIY projects, or needs an efficient tool for everyday tasks. Whether it's for Father's Day, a birthday, or just a thoughtful gesture, it's sure to be appreciated. In conclusion, if you're looking for a top-performing, easy-to-use, and reliable mini chainsaw, the Zeeksaw mini chainsaw 6-inch is the best option out there. Lightweight, powerful, and designed with safety and durability in mind, it's the perfect tool for any homeowner or gardener. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.